Hello friends, welcome back to English class. Let's study with your English language teacher. We are discussing determiners, one of the most important parts from your grammar. Today we are in part 2. We are discussing demonstrative determiners. Examples: these, that, these, those point to objects denoted by the nouns that follow them. Examples: this man is a ballad singer. That horse runs very fast. These and these point to the objects which are near, while that and those point to the distant objects. Possessive determiners. Examples: my, our, your, his, her, its, their, etc. They can be used before singular or plural nouns. Let's study some examples. My brother is a teacher. Our school produces brilliant results every year. Your father knows me very well. So here I have just shown the determiners with the red letters. So your father knows me very well. Their house is located in the outskirts of the city. Next, definite determiners. 1, 2, 3. These are the examples. Distributive determiners. Each and every. Quantitative determiners. No and no, any, and some. No and any are used in negative and interrogative sentences, while some is generally used in affirmative sentences. Let's study some examples. There is no picture in this book. Next one, there is no truth in what you say. He didn't take any pains. He didn't take any pains to do well in the exams. Here, pains, extra efforts. So, he didn't take any pains to do well in the exams. My dear students, here pains is not plural. I have not any money to spare. There is some money in my purse. Let's study the use of some in negative questions. Here the speaker expects an affirmative answer. Didn't I give you some money yesterday? Won't you give me some more books? Will you please lend me some money? Let's study the use of all, both, and whole. All denotes the total of many units together, while both shows the total of two units together. Whole is used only with singular uncountable nouns. Let's study some examples. He gave me all the mangoes. Already I have just said that determiners are shown in red letters. Next, all the students were present yesterday. Both Satyam and Shivam are good in studies. Both the brother and sister did well in board exams. He spent the whole money he had. Next, the use of distributive determiners. Examples of distributive determiners are either and neither. Either means one of the two persons or things, and neither is the opposite of either. Neither means not any of the two. Let's study some examples. I can on either side. Here the verb is dropped. I can do on either side, or I can listen on either side. So verb should be inserted here. Sorry for that. Let's proceed to the next example. You may buy either of the two pencils. Next, there are shady trees on either side of the road, and neither of them could speak in English. Now, very important determiners: many, much, few, less, and several. Many denotes number, while much denotes quantity. Few is the opposite of many, and less is the opposite of much. And several means many. There are many flowers in this garden. So let's study some examples. The first one, there are many flowers in this garden. Many people came to see the match. He had to put in much efforts. Next one, we have few holidays in this month. A few students came to attend the lecture. You devote less time to your studies. And example of several. Several people came to attend the party. Let's study the use of many, many a, much, few, a few, the few, little, a little, and the little. Very important part as far as determiners are concerned. Very often questions are set from these parts. So here special attention is sought. Let's study the use of many, many a, much, few, a few, the few, little, a little, and the little. I repeated because these have their own importance. So many, many a, much. Let's study first many, many का use, many a का और much. Many, many, many a or many an and much denote quantity. And लगाएंगे तो आप denote बोलेंगे. And if I use or, so there will be the verb will be denotes. I think everyone knows now the play of subject verb agreement. We toyed with words, subjects and verbs in our previous video. So many, many a, many an, comma, much denotes quantity, while many denotes number. Much denotes quantity, while many denotes number. Many is followed by a plural number, while many a or many an is followed by a singular number. Let's study some examples. I have much work to do. Next example, many students came to listen to the great scientist. Many a man has died of corona. Many a man. We should be vigilant. Many a is singular in use but plural in sense. But we must not write many a men. It must always be singular. Another example of many, many a or many an, that is many an egg is broken. We can't use plural number. So many a or many an singular in use but plural in sense. Very important part from as far as determiner topic from grammar is concerned. So here what is required? Your greatest concentration. Next, few, a few, the few. Questions are set from these determiners also. Just like little, a little, the little. So here also few, a few, the few. Few means not many or hardly any. Hardly, scarcely. Hardly always takes means denotes negative sense. I hardly believe you. That means I don't believe you. Next, a few. A few means some. And the few. The few means not many, but all of them. Let's study some examples so that the idea, the meaning, or it's you as long as we are not giving examples, it will not be made clear. So let it be made more easy by citing some examples. That's why later part of this video I discussed or I just gave plethora of examples to clear any sort of doubt as far as the use of these determiners are concerned, since it is a very important part of grammar, just that comes in the domain of determiner grammar. So example, let's study some examples. He has few friends. Few means here not many or hardly any. Next example, they will return in a few days. In a few days. A few days means not many. A few means some days. A few means some. In some days. So they will return in some days. कुछ दिन बाद. Next one, the few. I have read the few magazines I had. I have read the few magazines I had. Here, a few means not many, but all of them. For example, I have Wisdom Digest, international that Reader's Digest magazine. So I have read the few magazines I have. That means not many, but all of them. Next, we are going to study the use of very important determiners, little, a little, the little, just to erase any sort of confusion, so that the very purpose behind preparing or making this video can successfully be served. So little means not much, hardly any, already we have discussed. A little means some, the little means not much, but all of that much. All of that much. Let's study some more examples. There is little milk in the jug. That means there is hardly any milk. Next, a little knowledge is a dangerous thing. A little knowledge or learning is a dangerous thing. He spent the little money he had. Next, example, Mr. Habib gave away the little money he had in charity. The little money he had has been stolen. Again, I am discussing a little. A little money is better than none. Next, the usage of little. He has little common sense. Further examples, there is little hope of his recovery. He has little influence with his followers. He gained little advantage from the scheme. And as far as a little is concerned, let's garner some more examples. He gave me a little butter. Most of the parents spend a little money on themselves, and this is truth. This is fact. No parent spend much money as far as uh, they sacrifice. They are ready to sacrifice for their children. So most of the parents spend a little money on themselves. Let's study some more examples with the determiner a little. A little care could have prevented the accident. Again, I am citing some examples as far as the little is concerned. The little information he had was not quite reliable. The little knowledge of carpentry that he had stood him in good stead. It means the knowledge of carpentry he possessed was not much, but all that knowledge stood him in good stead. If you have got any sort of benefit out of my video, please like, share, and if you have not subscribed my channel, you are once again requested to subscribe my channel. Thank you.